We are here in Enchanted Mountain Resort in Dalaguete, Cebu. Tara, suroy-suroy ta sa Turing!
I like that. All I had to do is smile.
Okay, so it's impromptu. So we just decided last night to come over here. So John, is he here? Slowly, slowly. I don't know. So they actually have room for rent, or you could stay at night.
Oh, you can stay overnight here?
Yeah. Yes, you could stay at night here. So those building up there, those are rooms for staying in. For stay in. So that's what I read online or on Facebook. So let's see. Oh, this is like the big swimming pool. It's like pink purple. It's most of the girls' favorite color. And I don't know what is here.
Oh, so these are rooms you can rent to stay overnight?
Yes. So if you have time, there's a lot of picture takings. This is like, I don't know, pineapple something. That's a Pixies only. They have like a dragon fruit room. Pixies. That's actually it. And this one is, what kind of room is this? Tomato. So these are the rooms that you could stay. So yeah.
Orange?
Yeah, orange. Oh, pumpkin.
Oh, pumpkin?
It's carrots, Daddy.
Oh, carrot. Okay.
Carrots, pumpkin, dragon fruit, tomato, and it's like a castle up there with this beautiful flowers. So cute. Isn't it so cute? And as you can see here, look at the view. John is here. Isn't it pretty?
Kind of like an expanded Sorrel Gardens.
Yep. Yep. So pretty. Tomato room. And
If I fall, I'm editing it out, okay?
you will not
See a
fall.
break in the video, you know what happened.
You will not fall. Cool. So pretty. They're really beautiful flowers. We have a lot of mayanas. We have like wild flowers here. Hello. So, Angoto. Angoto. So beautiful. Hi. And a beautiful castle. This is their receptionist, and they have rooms upstairs. Alexandria, and you can sit down there. It's like a, what do I call this? Golf something?
Like a pedal car.
Pedal car. So,
Looks
yeah.
like they're expanding this quite a bit.
Yeah, they have this hanging bridge too. Oh, I mean,
Zip line?
yeah. Cool. So how can you say, or what can you tell about this place?
It's got some really cool views of the ocean.
Oh yeah, and then in the mountains up there, and out there is the ocean, the coconut trees.
Trust Google, it will get you here.
Yeah.
Even if the roads don't look like it's gonna get you here.
Yeah. They have like that room. I guess it's a newly built one. Cool. This is like in progress. Very cool. And they have like, I'm not sure, a monkey with the hands, or not sure what is it. But the view is so gorgeous, so gorgeous. Gorgeous with a castle thingy here. And hello. They have cottages here. So we didn't have the chance to have the cottage because they're already full. Oh, electric. Oh, they have that hanging. Oh, cool. Premium milk taste. Oh, so they're like food. Let's see if we can find another table.
I'll have to check this out, see what else here.
Yeah, it's like a mini store. Oh, they have milk teas, convenience store. Cool. They have buka juice. Cool. So basically they have a convenience store, right?
Kind of.
They have water, 15, 20. Oh.
Any money?
Huh? Yeah, I do have money. How much?
Miss Money Bags.
What do you want?
Just give me like 40 pesos. You want water?
Sige.
How do you say do you have?
Naamoy. John is buying water. Nationality.
Americano.
Salamat. To sit down? Oh, sige. So now I just want to show everyone the video in entire setting. How's that? Okay, I'll be right back with you.
Sige.
Okay, Enchanted Mountain Dalaguete. So cool. Here's the viewing area. You can do free nuptials. Cool. And this is the Fiona Hall with the pink, and have a lot of cottages and swimming pool. Here is a swimming pool. Cool. This is the happening, or the happening going on. Cool. Okay, and say ayo. This is the last end in the building. The view. So perfect. This is the Enchanted. And Dudong is swimming here. And JJ, it's so hot in it. So cool. So amazing. So that's actually it. That's our day here in Enchanted Mountain Resort. So thank you. And they have a new one. They're still working that hanging bridge. Cool. Really? What's the hanging bridge? No, they're still working on that. In progress. So that's actually it. See ya. Bye-bye.